The Sony ULT Field 5 is a portable speaker designed for powerful, deep bass with its dedicated ULT power sound modes. Featuring a long-lasting battery, a durable, water dust-proof design, and integrated lighting, it's built to bring the party with you. 1. ULT Power Sound. Enjoy live concert energy with the ULT Power Sound series, built for music lovers who want deep, heart-thumping sound. 2. Hit the button. Feel the bass. Press the ULT button to switch between ULT 1 for deep, low-frequency bass and ULT 2 for punchy, powerful beats. 3. The party never stops. Keep the music going for up to 25 hours. Quick charge for 10 minutes and get up to 2 hours of playtime. 4. Easy to carry. With the included shoulder strap, you can take your music anywhere, transforming any space into a party zone. 5. 360 degrees party light. Add color to your tunes with dynamic lighting that syncs perfectly with your music's rhythm. 6. Anywhere, any weather. IP67 waterproof and dustproof, ideal for the beach, park, or any outdoor adventure. 7. Party Connect. Link up to 100 compatible speakers to sync sound and lighting for a larger-than-life experience. 8. 10-band equalizer. Fine-tune your audio for perfect clarity, balance, and depth to match your preferences. 9. Crystal clear calls. Exceptional call clarity. Echo-cancelling technology ensures your hands-free conversations are crisp and clear, indoors or outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.